Yes, we can withdraw money every month and you can make money every day if we really know where to touch. I'm giving you this as my birthday gift. If you watch this video after 11th of October, it means it is your gift for birthday. We are just talking about how to make money with our smartphone. And for you to make money with our smartphones, we have to know exactly what should we post. Not all posts are going to make you get money every month. You can get views, but you might not get money every month. Why? Because the algorithm pays according to what advisors highly pays. So meaning that you might be having a lot of views, you get some amount of money, yes, but you cannot get the threshold to withdraw the money. And this one frustrates people so much. In today's video, I'm going to show you how and what you can do. Good morning. Happy birthday to me. Welcome to this mind-blowing video with this lady Immaculate or Christine, who says I cannot handle a smartphone and beg for bread. When we talk about I cannot handle a smartphone and beg for bread, we don't mean the bread we go and eat with chai. No, we don't mean a cup of tea. We mean needs, basic needs. At least your account should not run dry. This is what we mean. So before I dive in, do you know that I have special people I have to shout out today? Immaculate Show team, I love you so much. Thanks for standing. Thanks for being a backbone of Immaculate Show. Our running might be slow, but we are very sure. 4 years look very cool on us. And to our new subscribers, we give you your flowers. This is a place where we sit and give out tips of what you can do with or without a job, with a smartphone, whether it is iPhone, whether it is Android. You guys, I want you to take this serious. It's a disclaimer. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not licensed to come here and train you about how to make money. What I'm licensed to do is to make sure that I give you what has worked for me. It can work for you also. So go and make your research. Later, we can do anything. So if you want to make money every day, this is going to be snappy. If you want to know details, it's my birthday, just put it in the comment section. You guys, you need to do content that is called greener content. Greener content or evergreen content makes you earn even when you have few views. It makes you earn on a daily basis. It becomes passive income. It can be today, tomorrow. You can make a video today, but even after 5 years, it will be bringing you money. So if you want to know how to make greener content, put it in the comment section. I'll take you step by step. Just write evergreen content. Evergreen content, you can continue with it. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.